So, hey, what's up guys? It's about Rafdom here. So, today's video guys ay gagawa tayo ng panibagong unboxing naman. Pero ito naman unboxing is going to be a bit different than I unboxing the figurines and some other stuff. This time, we're gonna unboxing from Co Collectibles, or should I say Co, is the new collection of Minecraft Challenges trading cards. Starter pack ay ito. So, this is the new set of Minecraft on Panini that's released, I don't know when, but I feel like a week ago, or yeah, a week ago, maybe a week ago. And this starter pack of Minecraft Challengers trading cards have contained collector's album, of course, 3 boosters included, which is total for 24 cards, and 1 limited edition card siya. So kapag bumibili kayo ng starter deck, may kasama siyang limited card, which is ito ata yung limited card niya. And this costs about 650 pesos in collectibles or Co. So you'll be this is 650 pesos with the binders and 3 packs and limited card. So it's worth it naman kapag bumili kayo ng starter pack. Tapos yung may mga kasama niyang cards is usually mga scratch cards daw dito. Nakita ko sa likod. Ito. Scratch cards daw yan. Magsa-scratch mo yung cards itself para makuha mo yung secret or hidden art dito sa mismong card na yan. Tapos meron naman dito yung mga usually normal na cards, which is mga ganito. Mga normal cards na kino-collection. Tapos meron naman dito nakalagay, meron dito nakalagay, face the ultimate Minecraft challenges with the limited edition card, which is either si Wither or ito yung makakuha ko, kasi madami siyang designs na limited edition cards. And hindi lang yan yung binili namin o binili ng nanay ko, which is ito pa, meron pa dito. Alagay natin muna dito sa side. Meron tayong ditong konti. Bumili din ako ng separate, or bumili yung nanay ko na separate na packs, which is available na din yan sabay ng starter pack. Pero yes, 3 packs yung kasama niya, pero kumuha na din ako ng 2 booster packs of Minecraft Challenges trading cards. Actually may isa dito nakabukas na yun, dahil para makita ko yung itsura niya kung maganda siya. So sorry kapag nagawa ko. And another 2 packs of Hot Wheels Panini cards na naman. So magagawa ko na lang siya as YouTube short series na lang for the unboxing of Minecraft Hot Wheels packs na opening. I have about 2 more packs over here left before I have this. So joke lang, not 2 more, 3 more packs, because 1 pack fell. Wait. Yeah, 1 pack fails, so I have about 5 packs in total to open Hot Wheels cards to collect every single packs in the binder. So I'm going to make another series about this, it will be on YouTube Shorts than the main video, because pangyap magawa ng main video kapag ito lang ginagawa ko for the Panini cards. So yeah, I'm going to lang siya YouTube Shorts na lang para yun yung maging series collecting all Hot Wheels cards in the binder. Para tignan natin kung ilang packs na buksan ko. Tapos tignan natin kung nakakuha tayo na panibago. Nakagawa naman din ako ng listahan, tsaka iba't iba pa naman kailangan ko yun doon. So anyways, these packs will be open very soon after the Minecraft video post. So yeah, let's get over this right about now. But yeah, before we started this video actually, or before we started the main video, you have to click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you know that I posted a new video on this Rafdom YouTube channel. So what I'm going to say, and let's get cracking on open the starter pack of Minecraft Challenges trading cards. And I feel like per pack is going to be 200 if I'm correct. Usually 200 pesos per pack yung mga Panini cards ng Minecraft, dahil madami din ako kinolekta ng mga Minecraft na packs itself. So yeah. So let's get started on opening the starter pack and review on what the card or how the card details is and if maganda siya i-collection. You can see, ito na. Let's open this up. Hindi ko alam yung mga value ng mga each cards dito. So, yeah, I don't know what will happen. And ito na yung makukuha natin. 3 packs included. And we have a limited card edition. Limited. Yeah, tama naman ako. We got Warden. Defeat a Warden. 250 HP. Ultimate challenge siya, boys. May iba't ibang challenge boss naman dito. Nakalagay din yung HP. Makuha nyo. But nonetheless, let's focus on the main binder. Let's throw this away. There's actually... Oh! So, ginawa na nila this time is di na to for cover. For the listahan na lang siya. Kasi sa mga ibang binders na binuksan naman ng Panini ay hindi siya for listahan lang. Kasi for listahan siya, pero gawin lang siya for the cover of the binder. Pero this time, sana yun na naman ito. Parang bago sa akin since etong dalawa nito is for the cover of the binder. If I'm right? I don't know if I'm correct. But yeah, kasi dalawa sila eh. Isa lang naman to. So yeah, gawin natin muna ito ang cover before natin gawin yung listahan. So, to check na lang natin siya in 3, 2, 1. So anyways, let's go over to the list of the Minecraft Challenges Trading Card Collectors album. Let's see what we're going to chase for this binder. So, you can skip this if you want because babasahin ko naman to eh. Every cards in this collection is a challenge. Ano man? Inviting you to perform a special task in the game, from facing mobs to using enchantments, from cooking to trading with villagers. Collect these cards and accept their challenges. Not only will you have the coolest collection, reminding you all of the things you can do in the game, but you will be able to test your skills and knowledge of the Minecraft universe and become a better player. Okay. So, meron tayo na isa dito na option is, see how tough it is to defeat dangerous mobs with the Mob Danger and Extreme Danger cards. Which is ito sabi, yung mga each mobs na may contain ng HP, tapos yun yung mga kakalaban mo. Learn to trade and make new friends with the community and comrades and the mob taming cards. Let your creativity go wild and build colossal statue with the giant cards. Well, pretty much they have a lot of cards to be exactly. So, ito na yung listahan. So, we have to collect about 243 cards, 180 regular cards, 36 foil cards, 18 scratch cards, 9 fluoro cards. Ibig sabihin yung pang pinaka-rare siya. So, meron tayo dito about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 topics or 17 per design, mga ganun. So we have letter cards, contains 1 to 9 cards, combat cards 10 to 18, adventure cards 19 to 45, mob danger cards 46 to 63, extreme danger cards 64 to 72, mob taming cards 73 to 81, ore cards 82 to 90, gear up cards 91 to 108, food cards 109 to 126, giant cards 127 to 144, community and commerce cards 145 to 162, enchantment cards 163 to 189, strategy cards 190 to 198, scratch cards 199 to 216, smithing cards 217 to 225, explore cards 226 and 234 cards, and explore cards 235 to 238, Wonder cards, 239 to 243 cards. Cards highlighted in light blue are special foil cards, which is yung mga enchantment cards, mga ganun, and ore cards, mga usually ganyan. Cards highlighted in white are special scratch cards, which is scratch card ng 199 cards lang. So 18 naman siya in total, so dito lang. And cards highlighted in pink are special fluoro cards, which is yung mga extreme danger. So madami din pala i-collect. Joke, sorry. So, yeah. So, yun yung madami siyang i-collection. Alagay natin muna itong album cover nito or album collectors nito in the side for now. I cannot put it on now. So, let's just put it there. And now, let's move on to the packs. 4 packs. Since ito nakabukas na. Tingnan natin ano yung makukuha natin sa buong video na to. Woo! Perfect. Wait lang. Setup lang muna ako. Ito na. Naka-setup na ako dito. Which is, yung phone ko nag-record sa mismong cards. Tapos ito na lang yung perspective ko na lang yung makikita niyo sa reaction ko. So, buksan natin yung first pack of the day. Madali lang naman siya ibuksan. Ganun lang naman siya. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga design makukuha natin ng mga cards dito sa Minecraft Challenges Trading Cards. So at first we got build a Machina statue. Machina? So giant statue to. So number 133, which is baliktad dapat ako. Ito dapat. Anyways, ito yung likod ng cards niya. Usually, Jasa Blocks and Minecraft Challenges, trading cards lang naman siya. So, yun lang naman yung itsura niya. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging sa harap. Okay. Number 15, Be Ready to Run, Combat card. Number 197, Strategy, Be Ready with a Totem of Undying. So, number 219, Smithing Challenge, Coast Armor Trim Smithing Template. We have number 100, Gear Up Challenge. Craft a brush. So, dito yung mga, yung kailangan yung items para mag-craft kayo ng brush. So, typically, crafting recipes. Tapos, meron tayo dito, Community and Commerce. Tama ba ako? Commerce. Basta, ganun. Yung pang trading cards siya. I mean, trading villager cards siya. So, trade with a shepherd. So, meron tayo shears, meron tayo wool, pink wool actually, and meron tayong bed. Next card, we have number 175. So, ito ay enchantment card. So, feeling ko, hindi ko talaga maalam kung, uy, okay. Parang fluoro card na nakuha ko nung sa likod. Pero anyways, focus natin muna to. So, enchantment card siya and enchantment channeling trident siya usually for kapag nagkikidlat or umuulan sa Minecraft. Tapos, nagtamaama kayo ng kalaban, magsastruck siya ng kidlat or thunder. That's very cool. And we have a fluoro card, Extreme Danger card. Why did I make that sounds? So we got Extreme Danger card, number 64, challenge, and we have to defeat a gas. With the gas space over there, gas design, and the HP of the gas. Okay. So yun yung laman ng mga cards. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards in total per pack. So 8 cards per pack siya usually, guys. I mean, nakalagay naman dito 8 trading cards per pack. Buksan natin yung pangalawang pack. Tignan natin ano yung mga kukuha natin sa likod. I mean, sa harap na lang kasi sa likod usually nagpapakita. Okay, game. Ano kaya to? Explore card. So, meron dito Nether Fortress. Number 236. Pwede na din. Kailangan mo lang talaga maging landscape lang or portrait. Or landscape. Since nakaganito siya. Now, number 162. Another trading villager card again. Community and Commerce card. Number 162. So, trade with a weaponsmith. So, we have a iron sword that is enchanted. Enchanted diamond axe, if I'm correct. And diamond sword is enchanted as well. So, lahat ng cards dito ay enchanted siya. Or lahat ng items dito enchanted ng mga items. Next card, ayan na naman ulit. Explore card na naman tayo. So we have a village card, full art ng explore card. So we have number 226, a village card, which is nakikita nyo sa phone ko or sa camera dito. Na itsura ng ganun ng card. Next card, ewan ko na yung sinasabi ko. We have mob taming card. So which is, we have 2 packs at the back. So mob taming card, which is yung mga tema horse, which is yung mga tameable mobs sa Minecraft itself. So number 80 to. Enchantment card. Sorry. Enchantment card siya, number 166. Use an enchantment table. So, maganda naman din siya. Foil naman. Ano ito? Extreme danger card again. Pero, Floro card din naman to. Which is, hindi ko alam kung madali magkumuha ng Floro card sa totoo lang. Kasi nakakuha na ako ng 2 Floro card or swerte lang ako. Kasi 9 cards lang in total extreme danger na cards eh. So, di ko alam kung swerte ako doon or ganun lang talaga. So, we have defeat a piglin brute. So, ito yung mukha ng piglin brute. Kung hindi nyo alam ano pa yung piglin brute na yun nasa sa Nether Fortress. Kung hindi ko maalala yung specific na biome. Pero, doon siya sa mismong building na na-generate. Nakalimutan ko na kasi yun. Mga bastions, mga ganun. Yun yung tawag nila. Which is doon sila nagsaspawn. Kapag may nakuha kayo ng gold, magpapatayin kayo kahit na may gold kayo. HP niya is 25 HP and number 67. Tingnan natin yan sa pinakalikod nito. 3, 2, 1. Ewan ko ba ito bumibilang. Ito na nga, Chebasloo. Combat. Bakit ganun yung boses ko? Combat card, number 12. Deflect projectiles. Which is, that means na gamitin mo yung bow or sword mo na deflecting mo yung gas or typically mga projectiles sa Minecraft itself, di lang yung fireballs, mga arrows, mga ganun, kung kaya naman. And tignan natin yung last card. It's a giant again. Build a Zuri statue, number 134. Challenge card siya, giant statue card. Alright, maganda naman din, maganda yung mga cards na kuha ko sa second pack. Pero hindi ko alam talaga yung sa Floro cards, which is in ngayon sa extreme danger cards, kung makakuha ako ng every pack, makakuha ba ako nun, kasi 9 cards in total lang kasi siya meron sa tingin ko. Pero tignan natin yung tong third pack nito, which is binuksan ko na. Ay, adventure card. First adventure card ko ata to, which is light up a beacon with a diamond. Ano to? Diamond building ba to? Or ay diamond building nga lang ginawa nila, tapos ginawa nila pang pyramid. Hindi ko sure. Pero number 144 siya. So, tignan natin yung next. Mob danger. Alright. Hindi siya extreme danger, guys. Iba yung extreme danger sa mob danger. Mob danger is typically yung mga hostile mobs, yung mga normal, yung mga common mobs na kinakalaban natin sa mismong Minecraft itself. Number niya ay 54, 10 HP lang. Tapos ito itsura ng defeat a stray, which is sa snow biome mo lang siya ma-obtain, or mayroon kang snow blocks, di-obtain mo siya para makakuha ka ng stray mismo. Next, another adventure card. We have number 25. Explore a desert temple. Alright. Normal thing for Minecraft players. Do that. Ano kaya to? Letter. So, typically, meron naman tayo dito, number 2. Pero meron at, alam ko kasi sa, may letter cards dun sa listahan yun ang tandaan ko. Sa 1 to 9 na cards. Which is, pang try mo i-spell out or makuha mo yung i-guess yung letter. Each card may letter sila. So, pang ito, Iron Golem is I. Pero doon ako letter yung magiging word nito ay Minecraft. Pero tignan na lang natin kung kompleto natin yun actually. Number 2, yung card na yan. Another enchantment card which is multi-shot. Which is, bagay lang talaga to. 4 crossbow, which is makakapag-shoot ka ng 3 arrow sa isang arrow mo. Yun yun siya. Number 188. Another, baka 3 cards na naman yung nakabaliktad. Hindi ko talaga gets kung ano ba yung nangyayari dito. Okay, anyways, tignan natin yung next card. We have a scratch card. This is the first scratch card I have, and I want to know how to do this scratch card, so I will get my coin over here. Wait lang. Never mind, I will not get a coin. And gusto ko makita kung totoo dalaga siya. Ano kaya magiging pangalan na itong card nito? Tignan natin. Ita-timelapse ko na lang to actually. Kasi hindi ko makita yung card. Maliit masyado. Maliit masyado yun. Change. Let's just use this. I'll be careful. Don't worry guys. At kaya nila ginawa ito kaya? Kasi pang sinisiyam yung mga gawa ng card eh. Ay, Diyos ko po. Masaya ko yung card ulit ginamit ko. Kuha na nga lang ako muna dito boys. Pero lang. Nakakuha na ako ng coin, which is ito na. Ayusin ko na siya. Tignan natin. So may paper tayo dito sa pinakalikod. Actually guys, ita-timelapse ko na lang itong phone ko para mabilis. So nakuha natin ay Minecraft, and as you can see may few scratches dito sa ginamit yung gunting, so I'm sorry. Tingnan natin sa ilalim, and I should know that this is going to be the title. Yep, this is the title, and the title says Sneaky Creepa. Yeah, of course it's speaking. So scratch card number 199. Ganun yung paano yung experience ko, paano mo isa-scratch card itself. Tapos tingnan natin another 2 cards, which is ito. Next card is adventure card, Loot a Monster Room number 29. Alright. Last card, first food card ko to. Cooked salmon. So nakikita mo yung raw salmon yung nakukuha mo sa mismong river or pond sa Minecraft, tapos lulutuin mo lang, and number 119 siya. Alright. Maganda naman din yung mga cards niya actually. Hindi na siya parang kailangan ko mag-collecta ng mga full art cards ng mga puzzle cards ganun. Pero dito lang kasi 4 letter cards kasi siya. Dahil yung isang binubuksan ko na Minecraft na dati ay kailangan mong kolektahin yung full cards niya sa pamakuha mo yung art. So tingnan natin ano yung last pack natin nakukuha dito. Number 104, Gear Up card. Makikita nyo na netherite sword dito. And craft a netherite sword, which is diamond sword. Kailangan mo i-craft yung netherite ingot, which is only you need to get ancient debris 4 pieces and 4 pieces of golden ingots. And you can create 1 netherite ingot. So which is sobrang expensive and sobrang grindy yung item na to kapag gusto mo mag-upgrade ng netherite gear. So, meron tayo dito pa nether upgrade trim, which is yun yung sa bagong update na pwede mo i-upgrade agad yung weapon mo sa netherite ingot sa smithing table ba to? Baka smithing table. Para ma-upgrade mo na agad yung weapon mo, which is maganda na din netherite upgrade, number 104. Next card, adventure card again, find a chest in a nether fortress. Number 38. Okay. Another trading villager card, which is trading with Fletcher. So, meron tayong normal arrow naman, crossbow and slow falling arrows, or nakatan ko itawag na isa. Pero pang mukhang slow falling arrow siya. Hindi ko ako nagkamali. Number 152 na card. I have another mob danger. Defeat a zombie. 10 HP and the zombie face itself. Adventure card number 20, build your first base, which is dirt base with oak planks, chest, crafting table, bed, and the player itself, and the torches. Number 173, enchantment card. So we have gold sorry. We have gold axe with the enchantment smite, which is kind of bit useless of using gold axe. Why would you use gold axe for the enchantment cards? And I don't understand why. But I'm sorry, but I would say it's kind of useless to use gold weapons or gold armor. So, gold armor is a bit useful for the piglins, but the gold weapons, I don't understand. Why would you use gold weapons instead? Why would you use gold weapons instead using other weapons like netherite, diamond, iron, like those? They're more useful than that. Now, that's my opinion, and that's what I'm going to say. So, number 173 siya. Enchantment card naman. We have another 2 cards, but this card is already face up. So, tingnan natin to. We have number 118, and we are cooking about baked potato. The raw potato that you are planted, and you mine it, or harvested it, and cook it on the furnace, and you have a baked potato. Number 118. We have another scratch card. Okay, we are getting lucky to get scratch card. Bleh. Scratch card. Yeah. Tignan natin kung ano yung makakuha natin. I will not make any scratch anymore. Ito naman, parang hirap naman ito. Ay, hirap guys, scratch. Totoo lang. Pang iba yung scratch, pasang sa ito. Scratch. Nakita natin mukhang player, pero hirap niya scratch guys, so... Hirap niya scratch. Ay ko, hirap niya scratch. Di ko gets. I'm ruining the card. That's the scratch I can do. Hirap niya scratch. Pero yung title niya, hindi mahirap. Well, that would be understandable. And we have Dangerous Fall. So ito lang kayo ko going to scratch guys. Pero ito, ang end of the video na lang, parang try ko na lang my best kapag scratch ko na siya fully version. So yun yung apat na packs na binuksan natin for the packs of Minecraft Challenges Trading Cards. Pero meron ako sinabi sa inyo, may isa kong pack dito na nabuksan. So nakita ko na lang sa inyo guys, which is ito. Ito na siya. So we have the same trading with a weaponsmith. We have that. We have combat, be ready to run. We have the Explorer Desert Temple. We have another letter card. We have, this one is new for me actually. Enchantment card, trade with villagers. Okay, we have Lush Caves number 234. Explore card. We have smithing cards, which is armor trim, smithing template. We have gold armor number 222, and we have another enchantment cards, which is respiration for and wearing netherite, a helmet for swimming underground, so you can explore more underground of the swimming area. So yan yung nakuha natin. Ito meron, wala ako. Ito apat meron na ako. So yun yung mga lahat ng packs na binuksan natin, except yung isang packs sa Minecraft Trading Cards. Daming ginawa. Yeah. So now, let's get ready to do the binder of how to organize these cards. So guys, bumalik na ako. Sorry sa boses ko. Kaya nagligo na ako dahil after ko kasi na binidyohan yung sa pagbukas ng packs ng Minecraft, which is same pa rin itong video na part nito. Nagbukas kasi ako ng Hot Wheels, which is ipopost ko na yan very soon after nitong video nito. So anyways, gagawin natin na yung organize sa binder ng Minecraft. So na yun, ginawa ko na siya actually guys, is binay number ko na siya sa 2, 12, 15, 20, mga ganun. Binay number ko siya para mabilis ako sa pag-organize ng binder. Para ma-check natin lahat na meron na tayo. Or kaysa i-check ko to, gusto nyo ba gawin ko sa panibagong list? Para madami kasi itatype eh. Okay, sige na nga. Gawin na lang natin ng panibagong list. Pero ito, for just display. Okay, game. First page. Lagay natin siya dito. Ganito siya paano mag-organize guys, kung paano. Or kung naiapan kayo, gamitin niyo yung listahan nito. Kasi meron siyang binibigay dito sa listahan na ano yung magiging count. So 1, 2, 3. So left is 1, 3 is right. So left to start and is to right. So 1, 2, 3. Ganun lang siya. So, tingnan na, diba, Minecraft. Kasi nakalagay naman dito sa letter cards Minecraft eh, yung spelling. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka hint. So, na yun, i-organize natin na lahat. Pero, sorry sa ingay ng aso ko. So, gagawin ko lang muna to. Parang sa Slugget Girl lang, hindi ito time-lapse. Pero, ita-time-lapse ko na to after, ita-time-lapse ko na to kung gusto ko na. Okay, game. Flip the page. 10 to 18. So, may sticker na ako dito guys. Which is yung pinakita ko sa inyo sa early the video is kailangan 10 to 18 siya. So, nasa 12. So, bilangin natin 11, 12. Well, from this part, I actually made it as a time-lapse na lang para mabilis na lang kayo manood. Kung gusto nyo naman i-skip naman itong part ito, pwede naman kayo mag-skip na lang if you want to skip it.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. We all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Bakit kaya ganun? Baka dahil dito sila lulusot. Pero anyways, tignan na gagawin ko na lang sa panibagong set na lang since nayapan na ako. So anyways, yan yung kung paano siya mag-organize. Click natin ulit. Ganyan siya kaganda guys. Yun lang problema. Okay, so anyways guys, yun yung sinasabi ko. So maganda siya guys gagawin na ganyan siya. Kung paano mo siya i-organize very well. Kung madami na akong cards, parang gagawin ko na lang kung ginagawa ko sa Hot Wheels. Collect all of the cards as well para makita nyo. Actually, ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung iba kong binder collection ng Panini ginagawa ko. Okay. Meron tayong 1. Meron tayong 2. Ito yung sa Hot Wheels. So for the Sonic, meron naman ako isa pa for the Minecraft. Meron nakatago na yun. So di ba na may retrieve yung Minecraft na yun since tinago na. Pero yan. Pakita ko sa inyo sa baba. Or sa taas doon. So ito yung sa Sonic, which is di ko ginawa ng video to. Pero ito sa lahat na ginawa ko ako, which is almost complete na nga to actually. Konti-konti na lang kulang ko eh. Ganyan siya kaganda kapag pinuno mo. Ayun, konting-konti na lang. Nakakuha na ako tapos na ako sa Sonic. Nagawa na nga din ako na listahan nito eh. Kaya may listahan siya sa iyo din. Ayaw ko kasi gulawin yun. Mafe-feel mo yung bigat ng mga ganito kasi kapag dumami na yan, mafe-feel nyo yung bigat niya. Kasi sa mga ganito, bagong collection lang to, ginagawa ko sa per pack. Ganyan pa lang siya, hindi pa ang bagong bukas. Tatlo kasi yung Minecraft. Ito yung bago. Ito yung pangalawa na Minecraft. Meron ako yung unang version ng Minecraft, kaya nga kasi kaso na tinago na yun. So ito yung bagong Minecraft, yung second version of Minecraft. Hindi ko na nga ito ginalaw eh. Ayan siya. Ganyan yung tsura niya kapag kinumpleto mo yung full art niya. Ayan o. Dami kong ginawang up-Cs and down-Cs dito. Pero ganun siya mostly. Sa lahat ng cards dito, kailangan mo yung kompleto yung mga arts. Except yung mga ganito. So, literally, I have about 4 binders or total of 5 binders ng Panini. Kasi nakukulik ako na ganito kadami. So, yeah, ganun yung paano ko siya ginagawa. You organize. Tapos, i-unbox natin. Ganun na siya. So, ito na yung dulo ng video natin, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video about unboxing the new Minecraft Panini set starter pack set, which is Minecraft Challengers trading cards siya. Hope you really enjoy this about the new set of Minecraft, the Panini one, the cards, and hope you really enjoyed what we got. And if you really want to buy it, baka may naman din yan sa inyo. And kung may nakikita kayo dito sa baba, so ko lang yun. Kasi nakikita ko yung ulo nyo kanina. So anyways, yun lang siya kasaya mag-unbox. Pang normal TCG lang naman siya. Yung nakaiba lang naman dito is, di siya TCG game, more on trading card siya. Or should I say, collectible card siya. Hindi siya pang nilalayo, kino-collection lang siya. Yun ang nakaiba niya, pero masaya lang din siya actually. So, hope you really enjoy this video, and I want to see you guys. If you really want to collect this, I hope you collect them very soon, because they might going to be run out very soon as well. So, yun ang masasabi ko. And before the video ends, I hope you guys click the like button and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know that I posted a new video from this YouTube channel, of Rafdom YouTube channel. That's all about this video, and we will see you again from the next video I'm going to post very soon. So you can see you guys there. So see you guys there on the next video. Peace.